Still going a little bit right. Oh, we did it. Hi guys, just did the video with this car. I think it was video number 456. And I was going to do a modified version, a stretched version, only slightly stretched. And I was going to put CDs as the back wheels, just to demonstrate the difference that you get from small wheels and big wheels. But while I was looking for bits for that, I found these ones that I've used before. These are hard drive platters. So I thought, before we do that one, we'll just try this one, see if we can get it to run without the extra weight, possibly, maybe, using these CD platters, because they'll be a little bit heavier, but they're also bigger, so they'll be less likely to spin. They might still spin because they're still relatively small, but that's why we're going to go to the CDs or DVDs eventually. I'll just rig this one up on here. I'll also put a little 3D printed hook on the back axle, just to make it a bit easier to attach the rubber bands. You don't need it, because you can, as I demonstrated, you put the rubber band over, so that as it wraps round, it goes over itself. And that holds it in place. But it is a lot easier if you actually have a little peg or hook there. So I'll stick one on at the same time as I put those wheels on. So there we are. Hard drive platter wheels. They've got a nice bit of weight to them. Gone back to just using 2 ordinary bands rather than cutting them in half, because I think this will take the power quite easily. That just hooks over there, which is a lot easier. And then wind them up. It'll want to spread. You don't want it to spread all the way so it starts rubbing against the outside edge, or that will actually slow it down again. So you want to guide them so they go back in again. Keep it neat and tidy. And then away we go. Look how long that runs for. So we'll give that a run. I think that'll probably be enough. Just try and point it straight. Oh, I think we'd have done the full distance if we didn't hit the side. We'll see if we can go back the other way. Go under the chair this time. There we go, all the way, bounce back. So that's the difference a decent sized set of wheels will make. Not quite sure how it will go when we put CDs on there instead, or DVDs, as I keep saying, because these have got a nice bit of weight, but the CDs and DVDs will be bigger anyway. But that will be the next video. Oh, I suppose I could see if I could hit the camera with it. All right, still got my wireless microphone plugged in, so you can hear me talking at this end of the room, and the camera's up that end. chances of hitting the camera are very slim. Too far to the right, my right. Certainly doing the distance with no trouble whatsoever now. A decent sized pair of wheels. Still going a little bit right. Oh, we did it. That'll do. Success.